Next, another news tonight. According to officials, in just 2 years, synthetic drug use has more than doubled in the Permian Basin. Today, to bring awareness to the problem, federal and state law enforcement agents from all over the basin made a stop in Midland. CBS 7's Lauren Landman sat in on that meeting this afternoon, only to learn of a bigger problem for our hospitals caused by synthetic drugs. Lauren?
Jay, hospital officials say with the numbers of users increasing as quickly as they are, something has to be done fast for these patients that are such a threat to not only themselves, but those trying to treat them.
The people that are taking these drugs are playing Russian roulette with their own lives.
It's a problem. It continues to be a problem.
Law enforcement and medical personnel representing the entire Permian Basin are urging residents to stop the use of synthetic drugs.
Ector County sees these things as illegal too, and they're not going to be tolerated anymore.
Since being made illegal in 2011, officials say the usage has far from stopped.
We have people that we've had to lock down for 3 or 4 days until we could even talk to them enough to get them booked into the jail.
They move the entire bed by themselves with it being locked. Like he said, superhuman strength. They can imagine what they can do to one of the nurses or the officers or even themselves with that much strength.
2 years ago, medical center hospital officials treated 158 patients who were on these drugs. And this year, in just 5 months, they have treated 383, more than double that number just 2 years ago.
A lot of these patients that come in are combative, confused, and they're hard to handle, and so we had to call for assistance.
Pulling hospital personnel from all over just to help one patient.
Pretty much all of our staff, so we're not really able to care for our other patients because everybody's in that room with that one patient.
Medical Center Hospital says that they are working to hire more security staff simply because of these drugs. MCH, along with law enforcement officials, stress that this is a problem that only the community can stop and urges you to call police or Crime Stoppers if you see the drugs being sold in your area. Live in the studio, I'm Lauren Landman, CBS 7 News.